can.
And it's supposed to snow! We're supposed to get like 2 feet of snow, bud. Okay, Aiden, I got so many new songs yesterday. I downloaded like all these songs. Ah! Kiana! I think I heard you. Come here, girl. Wanna go out?
Yay! Go pee and treat.
Say hi to camera.
Kenny! Ken!
Oh, what?
You should go pee. Mommy bought her treats.
Go peek a treat. Go peek a treat. Go peek a treat. I know it's cold, bud, but you have to go out. Don't want you to go to the bathroom in the house. Oh, she can't go. She can't go out. Oh yeah, she can. Oh, it's just cold.
The bacon bits.
Oh, they're so cute. Look at the puppy on the front.
Young's cuter.
That poor puppy. Sit. Can you sit?
Here, I got this. Here, right? Come here.
Give her a paw.
Come here, come here.
Oh, look at her.
Sit there. Pause. Pause. Lay down.
Nice, nice.
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
She's in such a rush.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
That was not nice.
Yeah, it was.
She always goes either in Dad's office or the dining room to eat her food, or the red room.
Really?
Got some High School Musical action going on over here, I see. Man, do I miss this movie. I'm gonna watch it. Sharpay, she's my favorite. I was her for Halloween, remember?
Hey, bet on it, bet on it, bet on it, bet on it. Did you ever? Did you ever? Did you ever? You know, hold up. I'm not gonna stop, not gonna stop till I get the shot. That's who I am, that's my plan. Bet on it, bet on it, bet on it, bet on it. Can't bet on it, bet on it, bet on it, bet on it.
Just, nope. Never mind, it's not gonna focus. But our winter storm warning has just turned into a blizzard warning. It is so cold. I smell snow. Dad taught me how to smell snow. So, looks like it's coming. Oh my gosh. So excited. We're gonna go Did I just see a flurry? I believe I just saw a flurry. No, no more flurries? Okay. But, that's a little news flash for everyone. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the snow has started. Hold on, let me try to here. No, you still can't even see. I need like a dark background. Do you see it there? No. The pond has been covered. I wish I had flash on this. I'm wearing my new snow boots that Mom got me. Actually, they might be Mom's because we got matching ones, but I'm so excited for the snow. The pond has been covered, which, oh no, it has. Yeah, it has. So that's exciting. Oh, the bench is still knocked over. Haven't gotten it up. Holy cow, someone just hit the... Don't know if that was me or not, but I'm out. No, because you have to let go. Now you can definitely see the snow. I'm looking out a window right now because it feels like 12 degrees outside. It finally started accumulating, is the weather word. So welcome Winter Storm Jonas. Like the Jonas brothers. Oh, it looks so pretty. It's so sparkly. Oh, that tree looks pretty too. Oh, it looks like big snowflakes from here. And like this isn't even it. Like it's supposed to like go all through tonight into tomorrow. Like 8 to 12 tonight inches, and then 8 to 12 inches tomorrow. So we're getting some snow. Oh, look, it's coming down harder. Jeez, what the heck? Alright, you're seeing me in my bedroom, so that's how you know it is the end of the day. At the end of this vlog. Okay, so, I'm really excited. As like you guys just saw for like the snow tomorrow. I can't wait to go outside and drink my hot cocoa. Oh, I love this season. And my big sweaters. Okay, and yeah, hope everyone that is being affected by the storm, hope you guys are okay. Stay warm, please, for me. Because apparently I'm supposed to lose my power. And if that happens, I don't know how we're going to stay warm. So, yeah, please, keep warm and go out in the snow. Have a snowball fight. Okay, so yeah, I guess we will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, have a nice night.